Hello everyone, thank you so much for showing so much support for the first part of this video where we had received more than 10,000 views within a week of upload, where I discussed the 5 mistakes to avoid as a beginner in stock market. I'll be taking you to my system where I'll be explaining you the different apps or softwares which can be used by a beginner in the stock market. The points that we are going to discuss in this video are: first one is trading or investing. What are the different types of trading or investing? Second one is best Demat account, that is, as a beginner, which Demat account can be used to do different trading activities or investing activities in the stock market. You can call it as the best brokerage services. The third one is best charting software which can be used. The fourth one is the different parameters to check for in the Moneycontrolcom. Fifth one is the best trading books or YouTube video channel which can be used by a beginner. And the sixth one is paper trading or live trading, which is better. Okay, I'll be discussing everything in detail. The first one is trading or investing, which is better. So there are different types of trading or the investing in the stock market, which a beginner has to be known when he's entering into the stock market. The first one is this scalp trading. Okay, people also call it as scalping, which usually lasts for 1 minute to 5 minutes. Within minutes, you have to exit it, and there should be a strict stop loss. So in this scalp trading or the scalping, the traders will take multiple trades in a day. Scalp trading or the scalping usually happens in day trading or the intraday. The next one is the intraday or day trading. The market opens between 9:15 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. and usually the traders do the day trading within this period of time, okay, from 9:15 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. This is called as the day trading or the intraday trading, which happens within one day. Okay, buy or sell within a day between 9:15 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. The third one is BTST or STBT, which is also called as buy today, sell tomorrow, or sell today and buy tomorrow. Scripts or stocks can be bought today or it can be sold tomorrow. At the same time, you can sell today at a very higher price and buy tomorrow at a very lower price if you are guaranteed that a stock is going down. The fourth style is the swing trading or the trend trading. Suppose you know the trend of a stock. Suppose it is moving up or down. If you know the day you are buying or selling it, then it is called as a swing trading or trend trading. The traders will usually hold the stock for 1 week or a month till the trend stays. The traders will come to know that the trend or the swing is going to end, then they are going to exit from that script or the stock. So the fifth one is the positional trading. Case traders usually hold the stock for about 1 year, more than 6 months till 1 year they hold it. The sixth one is the investing or investment. Here people will invest into a stock for more than a year. The fifth point and the sixth point usually requires the fundamental analysis of a stock. Till the fourth point, it is the technical analysis which will come into effect, and that is for fifth point, that is positional trading, and the sixth point, investing. Usually the fundamental analysis will come into effect. So technical analysis, it will be very difficult to identify the stocks for a longer period of time. So hence people will start investing, they'll hold it for more than a year. So my suggestion here would be, like, if you are an office goer who doesn't have any time to give into the stock market, then you can go ahead for the investment. Do an SIP for every month, or if you have a bulk amount, you can always go for the investment. If you are able to give the time into the trading, then it is better to go for the intraday trading or the swing trading or scalping. Investment, there are different types. You can do an SIP in the stocks or the SIP in mutual funds, etc. This I'll be discussing in detail in the next video when I'll discuss about the trading and investing in detail. Investment or investing will be used more than 1 year. Like I said, it is a long term investment. The next one is the best Demat account or the brokerage services. So usually as a beginner, we'll get confused which one to choose. Okay, which Demat account is best? So there are mainly three different types of Demat account where you can place any order. First one is full service brokers. So most of the banks are giving this full service brokerage. So most of the banks are having their securities and Demat services. Here the brokerage will be a bit higher. The second one is the discount brokers. There are different types of discount brokers. Very famous ones are Zerodha, Upstock, and Angel One. Angel One, it is earlier called as Angel Broking, and there are many different types of discount brokers. You can choose any of those. These full service brokers and discount brokers, I'll give an example. It is like, imagine there are two types of juice centers. So one juice center will give you all the mixed fruit juices in one glass. In this juice center, you won't be getting a particular juice. Suppose if you want to have orange juice, then he'll still give you the mixed fruit juices itself. In the second juice center, you'll get a particular type of juices. Okay, if you want to get the orange juice, he'll give you only orange juice. If you want to have apple milkshake, only the apple milkshake you will get, like that. So in the first juice center, you still have to pay 100 rupees. Even if you want the orange juice, you still have to pay 100 rupees because he is giving you mixed fruit juices. In the second juice center, you'll have to pay for that particular juice. If suppose you're getting the orange juice, then you just have to pay 20 rupees. If it is apple milkshake, you just have to pay 30 rupees. It's like that. Okay. For that particular juice, you have to pay that amount. It's just like full service brokers and discount broker. Full service broker, it is like mixed fruit juice center, and discount broker, it is like a particular type of juices you want to get and the amount you have to pay. Similarly, the full service brokers, they'll give you a lot of services. They'll give you the ideas, tips, and all those things. They'll be having their dedicated team where they'll handle your account. Full service broker, the charge is also a bit high. In the discount brokers, they here it's all depending upon you, how you're going to trade, what you want to trade. So the third aspect is the crypto brokers. Crypto brokers, I don't want to talk about it because as of today, that is January 2022, it is not been legalized yet. The governing body has not been given the green signal to trade. So I don't want to discuss about the crypto brokers. There are many crypto brokers as of now. So I'll discuss whenever we get a green signal from the governing body. So my suggestion is, I have used both the full service brokers as well as the discount brokers. I have used full service brokers. I personally felt it is also good, but they give a lot of options and their brokerage is way too high. My suggestion would be to go to the Zerodha as a discount broker. So it is very good. I'm using it for the past 4 to 5 years now. If you're planning to open an account in the Zerodha, I have given the link in the description box below. You can go ahead and check out there. Even if you have the full service broking account right now, even I had the full service broking account. I transferred all my shares from the full service account into my Zerodha account. I'll tell you in detail how to do that on my upcoming video. The next one is the best charting software. There are a lot of charting software in the market, and the best charting software for me till date is the tradingview.com. If you're using the free trial version, you'll get the 30-day free trial. Even after that, you can use it. Only maximum of 3 indicators are allowed on the free trial version. So if you're using the free trial version, the ads keeps popping up on the left hand side. Not that annoying. You can just cancel it, but it keeps popping up every now and then. These are the ads that keeps popping up. You just have to close it. This is the live chat right now. If you want to view it in the bigger screen, you can do this. So it views, and then press escape. It will go back to the original one. So these are the tools, different tools inside the tradingview.com, which we can see it on the left hand side. So these tools are the exactly the same tools we are going to get it on either on the Zerodha or any of the brokerage services which this tradingview.com chart has been embedded into, or into the moneycontrol.com site as well. You're going to see all these site tools. So I can explain you the site tools in another video. Please let me know if you want me to explain all these things. Okay. I can tell you how to quote the indicators. I'll tell you one indicator. This is the moving average 20 MA. Okay. So you can go to this indicator section and search for 20 MA. So you can't add more than one watch list in the trial version. So when I noticed that if you're accessing on the mobile, sometimes the data will be lagging, so you won't get that accurate data if you're accessing trading view on your mobile. Okay, otherwise it is no problem. If you're using the laptop, then absolutely there is no problem at all. So you can still go ahead and use the free trial version. So my suggestion for a beginner is, like, for 6 months you can keep trying with the free trial version. Use it in the laptop. You won't feel that data lag at times. Okay. So after 6 months, if you feel that you are getting stable into the stock market, then you can go ahead and purchase Pro plan, which is good for a beginner to advanced traders. If you're planning to go for the Pro plan, the link has been given in the description box below. You can just go ahead and check out from there. And for a beginner, it is always better to have only the three indicators on the chart. Don't use more than that. If you're trading into the stocks, then you can't use the multiple watch list, or it won't you can't have the stock alerts. Okay, there is a limitation on the stock alerts also for a trial version. So the next one I want to discuss here is about the moneycontrol.com. The different aspects which I want to discuss here is, as I said you in the earlier video, I asked you to stop looking at the news channel, but instead you can just use the moneycontrol.com website, or join their channel in the Telegram app, which is much better than any of the news channel. Okay, I'm not against the news channel, but this moneycontrol.com is way far better than any of those. The different aspects we are going to see in this moneycontrol.com is, it is mainly a news tracker, global market news, as well as our own market news, okay, economic news. And there is a chart inside the moneycontrol.com which I'll be showing you. What is the transaction of FII and DIA in a day? Global market, also you can view it. Top gainer and loser, Indian ADRs. This is one of the aspect which most of the traders are using, this Indian ADRs, because these will be listed in Nasdaq or the UK Stock Exchange, and people will go and search these Indian ADRs. Okay. IPO. Whenever there is an IPO, you can watch the upcoming IPO issues, or whatever the IPO have already been listed. You can see the performance of them and take a call whether you want to buy them or not. Okay, there are different aspects in moneycontrol.com. These are the very few things. You can go ahead and check for the mutual fund things too. I used to do an extensive research on mutual fund in this moneycontrol.com. This is the moneycontrol.com site, where it is www.moneycontrol.com. Okay, just type in the browser and you will land up here. So these are the different the news which you will be getting it. These things you'll get it on the moneycontrol.com Telegram app as well. So you can join the Telegram app as well if you want to see it on your mobile. Here are the top news sections. The latest news, you will find it over here. This is most read by people, so it will come here. Okay. This can be used as a news tracker as well. The different news updates, you will be getting it here. You can see our market, Nifty, Sensex and Nifty Bank over here. If you click on here, view all global markets, just click on here. You'll get all the global market update. Okay, this is Nasdaq, European markets, and you'll get our SGX Nifty as well. Okay, this are the Asian markets. These are the commodity prices. You'll be getting it here, and here are the top gainers and top losers for US markets. I had discussed about Indian ADRs, right? Indian ADRs, you can find it over here. Usually what happens is, like, traders usually do an homework before the start of day trading. That is before 9:15 a.m. Usually people will do the homework. They'll first come to this global market. They'll see how the global market is behaving, and they'll also see the Indian ADRs. Okay, suppose this is 1% down bank. Okay, usually Axis Bank is 1% down, and here it is HDFC ICICI is up. You can have the feeling of like mixed reaction in the banking segment, and you can also see the IT sector how it is behaving, and you can also check the currency updates for that day. So how the dollar rupee is behaving. Okay, is it down or up? Everything you can see. Okay, if you just come back, you can also see the community news here. I said you about the IPOs, right? You can see the different IPOs, upcoming IPOs, and the IPOs that are already open, issues open here. So these are the issues which would be opening up. These are the upcoming issues again, and these are the listed IPOs already listed till date. You can find it here. If you go here, see more listed IPOs, you can find out the percentage of increase or decrease in their value of the issue price. Okay, what was issued and what is the current price, you can see it here. Okay, these are the different listed IPOs. Okay, these are the percentage gains. You'll get it here. If it is negative, then it is going below the issue price. Okay, see here, if you are in negative, when your Paytm is negative, almost 50% down till date. And here you can get the top IPO gainers, and here you're going to get the top IPO losers. These are the some aspects which you can see if you want to go ahead with the buying of the IPOs. I spoke about the chart inside the moneycontrol.com, right? So I'll tell you how to find that. Just click on this Nifty 50. Okay, yeah, this will open up your Nifty index. So just scroll down. Here you can see the chart. This technical indicator tab will give you the different indicators what they're suggesting. In fib retracement, where is the R1? In Camarilla, where is the R1, and etc. It will give you that. If you want, you can see that. I generally don't prefer to see the technical analysis here in moneycontrol.com. Okay, suppose you are in this index, and if you scroll down, there is a chart section. Okay, which will give you the chart same like whatever you have in the tradingview.com. Okay, if you click on here, it will take you to the tradingview.com page. Okay, so if you want to view it in the full screen mode, you just click here. It will just open it in the full screen mode. This is in the 1 day time frame. If you want to have any other time frames, you can just click on this D. Okay, and you can select any of the time frames. Usually, since I am a intraday day trader, I usually prefer 5 minutes time frame. Okay, so it will open like this, and you can do any circles in this. Like you can add the different types of indicators. Suppose if you want to add RSI, okay, relative strength index, I prefer to add this one. Your RSI has come. Now these types of charts you will find in every brokerage. Okay, even Zerodha is having this chart. Okay, even there you can open it on the tradingview.com. So it opens in the tradingview.com. Even Zerodha has almost all the brokerage services are having charting software embedded into it. There are different indicators also embedded into it. Only few of the indicators will be missing. That is not a problem. You can still manage it with the limited number of indicators whatever they are going to give you. If you want to close this, you can just hit on delete pane. It goes off. So even in the, I said you like all the whatever you have in the tradingview.com, all these things will be available in this chart as well. Okay? You can do anything like say suppose if you want to have see the scale how much it has been moved, you can just do this one. And there are different parameters. I'll explain you in detail in the upcoming videos. Okay, so if you want to use the trend line, okay, this is just an example. Okay, so I can explain you in detail about what are the things. What are the things? Okay. Like this, you can draw anything and can just identify where the next move would be. I'll explain these things whenever I'm doing about the tradingview.com. These are the trend lines. If you want to remove it, you can remove it like this. If you want to have the other different types, what are the different things in moneycontrol.com, you can always go ahead and check about the FII and DIS. So I'll just go here, just go to home. Again, you have to go to this global markets, view all markets. Okay, now if you scroll down, you can see the institutional trading activity. This is like on a given day, for what amount did the FIS buy it or sell it, and for what amount did the DIs bought it or sold it. Okay, you can see all these figures. Provisional figure is like today is 14th Jan 2022, and this is yesterday's market condition. Like what is for what amount did the FIS purchase it, for what amount did they sell it, and what is the net purchase and sell. Okay, if they are on the selling mode, then it will be on the negative side. If they are on the buying side, this will be on the positive side, green color. Okay, and similarly DI activities, you can see it here, what amount they bought, what amount they sold. Okay, this is actually actuals as per SEBI. This will be, even an experienced traders would come and see all this data. Okay, before they place any orders. You can also explore about the mutual funds here. It is good. Okay, what are the performance of the mutual funds and everything. If you want me to explain all these things, let me know in the comment section. I'll surely make a video of this. Please don't come and see the top 52-week high low here. Okay, please don't take the trade based on that. Okay, top losers, top gainers, please don't do that. The next point is the best trading books or the YouTube videos. So the best trading books as a beginner you have to read are these: Trading in the Zone by Mark Douglas. Usually most of the traders read these books, which is very good. Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. Even if you're not into the stock market, I've seen people at least reading once about Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. It will help you understand the different aspects of the money management. Okay. The third one is How to Day Trade for a Living by Andrew Aziz. The fourth is Secret of Pivot Boss by Franklin Ochoa. This is a very famous book, I'm telling you. Most of the traders do read these books. Do read this book if you are into the pivot point and CPR indicators. The fifth book is How to Make Money Trading with Candlestick Charts by Balkrishna M. Sadekar. Okay. Personally, my suggestion is beginners better to read these books. Okay. To be very frank, I have never read any trading books, but market taught me a very tough lessons, very tough and very practical lessons I've learned. Usually, what happens, like, I'm not saying you should not read books. Read books, you'll get a lot of ideas. Reading books will always help you to not make mistakes in your trading. The best YouTube videos is, I have watched n number of YouTube videos from Indian traders as well as an international traders. I don't want to specify this person is good or that person is good. Every YouTuber is excellent. They are excellent in their own way. They teach a lot of good things. You just pick whatever you need. You can't understand any indicator, just leave it. They are not forcing you to watch all their videos. Okay, just pick whatever videos you like and just Just watch their videos. It is awesome. Okay, you'll get a lot of knowledge. I don't want to discriminate any YouTuber here. They're all good in their own way. I used to watch minimum of 200 YouTube videos a week. Okay, I like to read chart a lot. Okay, wherever there is a chart, wherever somebody is explaining about the chart, I'll never leave it without watching. The next aspect I want to discuss is paper trading or the live market trading. Usually on the YouTube you can hear people saying, if you are a beginner, better to paper trade first and then come into the live trading market. Okay, paper trading is just like a simulator. Nowadays, if you want to learn driving, they doesn't give you an actual car, right? They'll always make you sit in the simulator. It is just like a video game and you have to drive the car. Okay, the paper trading is just like a trading simulator where unlimited capital will be given to you, not the real money. I think from 10 lakh to 1 crore capital will be given to you, and only the stock prices will be real. Okay, your emotions will be fake, your the trading capital is fake, it is not the real money, even the emotions will be fake. Okay, what happens is like only the stock prices are real. So suppose any paper trading account will give you 1 crore of trading amount. What as a beginner we do is like we buy around 10 lakh shares of some company. Even if it moves 1 rupee, we are going to sell it, thinking that 10 lakh I am going to make it. So what happens is like even if it is going on the loss, our emotions won't get hurt because it is just a fake money. The different types of paper trading accounts which can be opened are money buy from the moneycontrol.com, it is good. Sensible.com, even the tradingview.com has the paper trading facility. You can go ahead and check out there. Otherwise, I am going to explain it on my upcoming videos. Live market trading is much better than the paper trading. If you ask me, paper trading, you won't have any control on your emotion. Live market trading, it is much better to control your emotions. The discipline you have to maintain, the position sizing, what is the risk reward ratio, how to control your emotions on your trading desk, the discipline you have to follow, the trading rules which you have to set up, the position sizing, the risk reward ratio, the different aspects of the psychological trading, the stop losses, where you have to take the stop loss and where you should not, how to trail your stop loss, everything you'll come to know in the live market trading. But whereas in paper trading, you'll not have any of these emotions because you're not trading in your own hard-earned money. In paper trading, the money will be fake. The paper trading brokers will give you unlimited capital. Only the stock prices are real in the paper trading. In live market trading, everything is real. Your emotions, your discipline, everything. Even the money is real. So if you ask my suggestion, if you are a beginner, I request you not to do paper trading, because in paper trading, if you buy a share for 1 crore rupees, it is of no use. I'm telling you. You can do a paper trading as much as the amount which you're going to put in the live market. If you're going to trade for 1 lakh rupees on the live market, use the same amount in the paper trading also. Okay, that is much better. But I suggest for a beginner not to do a paper trading. Instead, get into the live market trading with a very small quantity. Okay, very small quantity. You can start with 1000 rupees. Just learn how to do a trading. If you are a beginner, please don't get into futures and options. It will blow up your account. Around 1% of the people might be successful as a beginner in futures and options. Otherwise, it is very difficult. You have to be on your edge indicators and tricks, as well as the psychological aspects of your trading. Okay, if you are a very beginner, I suggest you get into the cash market, buy the stocks, where to buy the stocks, how to buy it, how to decide which stocks to buy, how to decide the movement of the stocks, everything I'll explain you in the upcoming videos. Learn everything, not only from me, okay? Learn from other YouTubers as well. As the upcoming video of mine will be about trading versus investing, which is good. I'll explain you in detail about the trading and the different investing aspects, like where you can do an investing mutual fund or ETFs or government bonds or SIP in stock or SIP in mutual fund. Everything I'll discuss in my next video. Okay, till then, happy trading guys. Bye.